how the budget was manipulated and how they have tampered with the budgeted figures. पयलीं म्हणल्यार हांव मुख्यमंत्र्याचें अभिनंदन करपाक सोदतां. ह्या बजेटान जो फिस्कल डेफिसीट जेणी जो दाखयल्लो आसा एज 1856.66 crores. Actually, it is not 1856.66 crores deficit. The fiscal deficit actually works out to be 4,648.68 crores. Now, you will ask me how I have arrived to these figures. And these figures are not my figures, there are laid down accounting practice. The calculations that are available on the budget at glance, म्हणजे थंय कितें दाखयता capital receipts less non-debt capital receipts less repayment of debts. And this is what is shown at a budget at glance. जें ह्या हेचेर आनी हांगा तें कॅल्क्युलेशनूय दाखयल्लें आसा फिस्कल डेफिसीट कशें करून अरायव केलें तें. पूण फिस्कल डेफिसीट जेन्ना अरायव करतात तें 2-3 फॉर्मुलान परत मॅच करतात आनी 2-3 फॉर्मुलान तें मॅच जाता तेन्नाच ते फिस्कल डेफिसिटाचो आंकडो हो सारको उरता. गोवा अंडर द BJP they are breaking all the records all over India. We have already released the numbers of assembly days during the Parrikar's time that year. And since they cannot face the opposition, they have no answers to give. And I feel this time the throwing out of all the MLAs which happened for the first time during budget session was because they were knowing that this budget is fake with fabricated numbers, manipulated numbers, and they don't wanted any opposition MLAs to raise this matter in the assembly.
This Rohan Conte knock at midnight was all strategy.
I will not go into those aspects at this stage. No, lifting them from the assembly when the important budget session was going on was bad. What they demanded, the CM should have replied as a Home Minister, and the Speaker should have replied as the Chief of that assembly. But why our MLAs were lifted is just to keep them away, keep the opposition away. So we are using this platform now. Again, our leader of opposition will also address another press conference on other aspects of the budget.